засыпаешь где-то, но не со мной.
Wow! What a unique voice! Wow, I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, how is she doing that lower register like that? Oh my gosh. That's really good. Jeez, what a low register. Like, oh my gosh. Not what I expected, but wow. That's amazing. So unique. Oh my gosh, this is really amazing. Okay, we're gonna start over from the beginning and I'm not gonna interrupt. I'm gonna let it go non-stop. We're going in off tap mode. Let's get it. Roll it.
Где-то там за окном ходит зима, сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Белым вьюга, думаю, кровь. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит брань. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым.
Ваши аплодисменты, Диана Анкудинова. Ой, как же хочется, чтобы таких проектов, как «Ты супер», было на нашем телевидении еще и еще.
Wow, that was incredible. That was incredible. Oh, wow. No wonder you guys are telling me to check this out, man. Like, so unique. Like, if I was to try to, not that you can really compare her with anyone, but I would say she's kind of like Cher a bit. You know Cher? Cher kind of had that lower register type of action happening. But this girl, man, this girl is amazing, man. That was cool. That was a special treat because that was just so unexpected, so different, and just uniquely her. And I like artists that stand out on their own merit, and they're not trying to be anybody else. They're doing their own thing, and they don't care what anyone thinks. They're in their own freaking truth. I like that. Man, shout out to Diana Ankudinova. You are amazing. You are beautiful. If you're watching this reaction, you go girl. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. I love your voice. I love your register. I love your ability to take it way down and go up. Like really, really, really good stuff. So keep on doing you. We gotta get out of here. I'll catch you guys later for another vlog.